Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Agilus Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
Imagine floating in space with no gravity, no steady ground, and a completely different way of living. Sounds really exciting, right? But in reality, it's extremely challenging. And now imagine coming back to Earth where even standing feels like a challenge. For astronaut Sunita Williams, this is not just another mission, it's a remarkable achievement. After spending 286 days in space, completing 4,577 orbits around Earth and traveling 195.2 million kilometers, she has safely returned back home. Sunita Williams and astronaut Butch Wilmore initially set off on an 8-day mission aboard the Starliner spacecraft on 5th of June 2024. However, due to technical failures, their journey turned into a 9-month stay in space, far longer than expected. And finally now, after months of waiting, they made their way back. But returning was not that easy. As their capsule re-entered Earth's atmosphere, the intense heat created a plasma wall outside, cutting off communication. And then inside, the astronauts sat silently waiting for the blackout to end. Moments later, Mission Control received their signal and everything was on track. As the spacecraft neared Earth, parachutes deployed, slowing it down for a gentle splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida. As the SpaceX Dragon Freedom capsule floated on the ocean, a pod of dolphins appeared circling the spacecraft. It was a rare and a beautiful sight. Meanwhile, recovery teams quickly worked to bring Williams and her crewmates back to safety. Though Sunita Williams and Wilmore have returned, but their bodies now need time to adjust because living in space for 9 months changes everything from muscles and bones to balance and vision. But what exactly happens to the human body after months in space? Well, let's find out. First is muscle and bone density loss. In space, astronauts lose about 1% of bone density every month, and after nearly 10 months, their bones become weak, making fractures more likely. Their muscles also shrink, making it hard to walk or even stand. Full recovery can take about some months. Second is balance and coordination issues. The inner ear, which helps with balance, stops working the same way in space. When astronauts return, they struggle to stand and may feel dizzy. And not just this, their vision also changes. Space shifts body fluids, putting pressure on the eyes, and some astronauts experience blurry vision and a few never regain full eyesight. In microgravity, the heart becomes more spherical and blood flow also changes, and this can cause dizziness, fainting and nausea when they return to gravity. Also, due to radiation exposure, space has high radiation levels, increasing the risk of cancer, heart disease and nerve problems, and that's why astronauts undergo years of medical checkups after returning back. Also, before their journey started, Elon Musk shared a video of the astronauts where Sunita Williams reassured her fans, saying that "We're coming back before long, so don't make those plans without me and we'll be back before too long." And meanwhile, SpaceX released breathtaking footage of their spacecraft docking with the ISS, showing Earth as the backdrop. And now back in India, Sunita Williams' ancestral village in Gujarat's Mehsana district erupted in celebrations. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared an emotional message for her, saying that even though you are thousands of miles away, you remain close to our hearts. He also praised her incredible achievements and even invited her to visit India after her recovery. But now the question is, what's next for Sunita Williams? Well, so Sunita Williams and Wilmore will now undergo medical tests, rehabilitation and post-mission debriefings. NASA's expert medical team will help them regain strength and study the long-term effects of extended space travel. Her journey is just not a personal milestone but a huge step for space research, and as they prepare for longer missions to the Moon, Mars and beyond, lessons from her experience will help make future space travel safer and better. Sunita Williams has once again made history, proving that space exploration is not just about reaching new heights but also about pushing human limits and inspiring the world. That's all for today. Keep watching What the Health on FitTak.